How to create lookalike audiences on Facebook ads in 2024, complete guide. If you're looking to maximize your ad performance and reach new customers who are similar to your best existing customers, this tutorial is for you. Introduction. First, let's understand what lookalike audiences are. Lookalike audiences are a powerful feature on Facebook that allows you to target people who are similar to your existing customers, email subscribers, or website visitors. By leveraging Facebook's vast data, you can expand your reach and improve your ad performance. Step 1. Set up your custom audience. To create a lookalike audience, you first need a custom audience. This custom audience can be based on your customer list, website traffic, or engagement on Facebook. To set this up, go to Facebook Ads Manager and click on Audiences. Select Create Audience and then Custom Audience. Follow the prompts to upload your customer list, set up a website traffic audience, or choose an engagement audience. Step 2. Create your lookalike audience. Once your custom audience is ready, you can create your lookalike audience. In the Audiences section, click on Create Audience and then Lookalike Audience. Select your source audience. This will be the custom audience you just created. Choose the location you want to target, such as a specific country or region. Then, choose your audience size. Facebook allows you to create lookalike audiences ranging from 1% to 10% of the total population of the selected location. A 1% lookalike audience is most similar to your source audience, while a 10% lookalike audience is larger but less similar. Step 3. Refine your audience. Refining your lookalike audience is crucial for optimal results. You can use additional targeting options such as age, gender, interests, and behaviors to narrow down your audience further. This ensures your ads are shown to people who are not only similar to your existing customers but also fit your specific criteria. Step 4. Implement your lookalike audience in your ad campaign. Now that your lookalike audience is ready, it's time to use it in your ad campaign. Go to the Ads Manager and create a new campaign or select an existing one. In the Ad Set section, choose your newly created lookalike audience in the Audience section. You can combine this with other targeting options to fine-tune your reach. Step 5. Monitor and optimize. Finally, always monitor the performance of your ads. Use Facebook's analytics tools to track how well your lookalike audience is performing compared to your other audiences. Make adjustments as necessary to improve your campaign's effectiveness. Split testing different audience sizes and targeting options can help you find the perfect combination.